East Kazakhstan region, Öja district, public utility institution Öja College. English teacher Askarbayeva Janat Kurmangaliyevna. Hello students. Today's our theme is the electoral system of Britain. Talk to your group, quest the meanings, try to answer the questions. Do you know the word elect? Do you know the word election? Do you know the word electoral? Do you know the word to vote? Today's new words. Let's read and translate. Elect, сайлау. Electoral, сайлайтын. Election, сайлау. Elector, сайлаушы. Quality, жеке басына тән қасиеттер. Personality, тұлға. Background, өмірбаян. Entitle, құқық беру. Employee, қызметкер. I'll give you some time for reading and translating the text. Grammar of today's lesson is first conditional. First conditional. If I study, I will pass my exam. Present simple, future simple. I will pass my exams if I study. Future simple, present simple. We use it to talk about possible situations and their consequences in the future. First conditional. If I study hard, I'll get good marks. If it rains tomorrow, I'll watch TV. Are these possible or impossible events of situations? Possible. Do the sentences talk about present or the future? Future. First conditional. Positive sentence. If I study, I will pass my exams. Negative sentence. If I don't study, I won't pass my exams. Question sentence. If I study, will I pass my exams? Positive sentence. If he studies, he will pass his exams. Negative sentence. If he doesn't study, he won't pass his exams. Question sentence. If he studies, will he pass these exams? Task for you. Open the parentheses and put the verbs in the correct form. Let's check your answers. If you don't help me, I won't pass the exam tomorrow. Егер маған көмектеспесең, мен ертең емтиханымды тапсыра алмаймын. We will buy this car if you give us a discount. Егер сіз жеңілдік берсеңіз, біз бұл көлікті аламыз. If my dad finds his tools, he will be able to repair my bike. Егер әкем құралдарын тапса, ол менің велосипедімді жөндеп береді. If David doesn't give up smoking, Lisa won't marry him. Дэвид темекіні тастамаса, Лиза оған күйеуге шықпайды. Mary will meet her friends from Italy if she comes to the party. Mary кешке келсе, ол Италиядан келген достарын кездестіреді. If you lend me the money, I will pay you back next month. Егер сен маған қарызға ақша берсең, мен саған келесі айда қайтарамын. They won't let you into the cinema if you lose your tickets. Билеттеріңізді жоғалтып алсаңыздар, сіздерді киноға кіргізбейді. If my sister travels to Japan, she will buy a kimono for me. Менің әпкем Жапонияға барса, ол маған кимоно сатып әкеледі. The lesson is over. Thanks for attention. Goodbye.